Are you bored? No, Troom doesn't know what that is. We've always got fresh ideas for having fun. Make a wax hand, paint using your feet, and make your own little winter box. Watch this video to learn how to do it. The girls are getting bored. They've played all the phone games, put all the likes, and watched all the videos. What to do now? I've invented a new painting technique. I just turn over so that my friend doesn't see what I'm doing. Outline your hand on a piece of paper. Draw a pattern of curves starting from the fingertips. Add a different color each time, and keep in mind the hand outline. Gradually make the curves wider. When you reach the palm, join the 4 fingers with one wavy line. Smooth the line to turn it into an arc. Draw big curves on the palm. We've got an intricate pattern of a rainbow palm. My friend tries to make the same, but she starts from the bottom and can't manage it. Don't worry, baby. Art is not for everyone. She doesn't worry, she's got her own DIY hand. It's an awesome red wax hand. Break candles and put them into a bowl. Be careful not to damage the wicks. Pick up all the wicks. You'll need 6 candles and 5 wicks. Add broken red wax crayons to the candles. Make little cuts on the tips of a glove for fingers. Pass the wicks through. Make sure the ends are sticking out from each hole. Tape the holes. Twist the long wick ends to fasten. Pull the glove on a tall vase and put it in. Tape to fasten. Attach the wicks to a wooden stick. Melt the broken candles in a microwave. Pour the liquid wax into the glove. When cool, remove the glove. Define the details using a knife. Cut out nails and define wrinkles on the knuckles. My friend forgets about her pictured hand. She wants to light a pinky of my wax hand. Then she started to ignite every finger. Hey, look out! They can melt! It resembles a scene from the movie House of Wax. It looks a little spooky, but you never say it's boring. A lighter is too boring. You'd better take my winter matches. Color an empty box of matches with blue acrylic paint. Cover the box inside with a dark blue color. Draw a tiny house with a chimney and a few fir trees on a piece of paper. Color them with markers and cut out. Draw a half moon inside the box. Attach a little cotton to make a snowdrift. Glue the trees. Attach another snowdrift at the opposite corner. Make cotton smoke. Attach the house to the snowdrift. Add more cotton snow. Sprinkle the landscape with crushed foam plastic. Let it dry and decorate the cover meanwhile. Write winter in white. Draw a snowflake. When dry, assemble the box. My friend opens the box of matches and finds a whole winter landscape inside. She's excited by the tiny fir trees, a toy house, and a soft snowdrift. It's real magic! You can keep your own magic winter story in your pocket. I've got moon sand. It's a true magic thing. Put 8 parts of flour in a bowl. Add a few drops of purple food coloring. Pour in 1 part of baby oil. Mix up well and add glitter. This sand is extremely soft. It's so fun to squish and form into shapes in your hands. And it smells good. You can mold whatever you want, even a unicorn. The pink glowing soft sand is just what girls like. It's so cute! Forget about your moon sand! I've got something totally awesome! The magic red sand from Mars that remains dry after putting it in water. Take some sand and spread it around evenly over a flat surface. Spray an even coat of red waterproof shoe paint